Question 5, partial fractions. So we have to do our process of putting our partial fractions into 3 separate fractions. So let's write out the pattern that we would be expecting. Now we've got 3 separate brackets, all just power 1, so we're going to get 3 separate fractions, just a single number on the top of each fraction, like that. Okay, so we then take all 3 brackets and multiply them to every single term that we've got. And as we do that, the bottom bracket will cancel out with the corresponding bracket on the top. So let's write down then what we would have after we've done that timesing. So if we take the 3 brackets and multiply them, the x minus 1 disappears as it cancels out, and you'll end up with a multiplied by x plus 1 and 2x plus 3. The next term, the x plus 1 bracket cancels out, and you'll have the x minus 1 bracket and the 2x plus 3 bracket. And the final term, you'll have the x minus 1 and the x plus 1 left. Okay, so at that point, we can then start substituting in specific values of x that we're going to choose to make the terms disappear 1 by 1 or 2 by 2. So I've got a bracket x minus 1. So if I choose x to be 1, that's going to knock out any term that has x minus 1 in it. Okay, I need to substitute it in on the left hand side as well. So I get 6 lots of 1 plus 4 is 10. A will be multiplied by a 2 from that bracket, and then a 2 lots of 1 add 3 is 5. But B will have 0 there and C will have 0 there. So it doesn't matter what the other bracket's doing. If there's one of those 2 brackets is a 0, then the whole term is gone. So we get 10 equals 10a. So that gives me a is 1. Okay, let's use another choice. So if we choose x to be negative 1, that's going to make the second bracket 0, because minus 1 add 1 is 0. So subbing in minus 1, so we're going to get 6 lots of minus 1 is minus 6, add 4 is minus 2. Our x plus 1 bracket is going to disappear, so we're not going to get any a's. Here we will get some b's, so let's write down b and then work out what's in each bracket. Start with minus 1, take away 1, and you get negative 2. 2 lots of minus 1 is minus 2, but add 3 is a 1. So that gives me negative 2 is negative 2b, which leads me to saying b is 1 as well. My last choice would be the value that makes the 2x plus 3 bracket 0. So imagine, if you need to, hopping the 3 across to be a minus 3 and dividing by 2. So we're subbing in x is minus 3 halves, or minus 1.5. Okay, so 6 lots of minus 1.5 are going to be minus 9. Add 4 is negative 5. The a is going to disappear because this bracket 2x plus 3 will be 0. The b will disappear, so we're just left with the c term this time. Minus 1.5 minus another 1 is minus 2.5. Minus 1.5 add 1 is minus 0.5. Okay, so we have negative 2.5 times negative 0.5, which is going to give us 5/4 or 1.25, and of course minus times minus makes plus. So you get negative 5 is 1.25c. Negative 5 divided by answer gives you negative 4. So c is negative 4. So just to then write our answer, we have 1 over x minus 1. We have plus 1 over x plus 1. And then we have take away 4 lots of 2x plus